Thank you for giving us the award. We're so happy and honored to be sharing it with our partners, OLE Health and the Gasser Foundation. Collaboration really is the key on which the Napa Valley Vintners was founded. Collaboration is critical to be able to do what we do and help and partner with the community.
Well, Tanir Ami is an amazing person, and she was there from the very beginning. Started in this room at a meeting of the health committee called by the Director of Health and Human Services. They had just passed the Affordable Care Act.
When the Affordable Care Act was rolled out, there was just so much more opportunity for people to get health care, get coverage. And so we were able to hire more staff and have more programs. So we added more with nutrition services, with health education, behavioral health pharmacy, and we were trying to put our staff wherever we could in our current facility.
Clinic OLE was essentially busting at the seams over a pear tree, and we had this land that was an ideal fit.
You're not going to treat very many people on a piece of bare land, so the rest of it had to come from somebody else.
It completely made sense, and when the OLE Health brought the project to us and explained what needed to happen, Gasser was donating the property and a lot of the other infrastructure that goes into it. It actually was an easy thing to do.
OLE Health offers amazing opportunities, not only for families to become healthy, not only for our community to access careers in the medical field, but also for the opportunity to give back, to be involved in the community.
Well, the ribbon cutting day, I have to say, I try to hold it together for my job. But on that day, when Alicia was speaking, I really teared up. I just was so proud of the history of that partnership.
And there was so much excitement to see this happen, and standing there cutting the ribbon itself, I actually was able to be joined by 4 of our founders who stood there next to me, and I just sat there imagining what it must have been like for them. In 1972, one exam room, a tiny little clinic up in Rutherford, and truly it was their vision that the Napa Valley needed this type of healthcare, and it's brought us to where we are today, which is one of the best healthcare experiences I think that you can have in this building.
I think it was a universally sort of recognized need, and many people and organizations stepped up to make sure that we would have a place to provide these kinds of services to people who really need it.
I was born and raised here in Napa. I was the daughter of 2 farm workers, and access to healthcare was a challenge because not everybody would see farm workers or their families.
1 in 5 people now get their healthcare services through OLE Health. That's 1 in 5 of our neighbors. And to walk in that facility and see how stunning and gorgeous it is, I thought it really helped to convey to the community how much everyone does care about them, how much we love this place, we love the people here, and we want to make sure not just that they have the best medical care possible, that it is provided to them in a space that makes you just feel well taken care of and proud to be there. So I felt really proud, and I got emotional.
This was an opportunity that was in our wheelhouse, something that we could do financially, and something that was as important to the community as anything we've ever done.
Ba-ba-da-ba-da-ba-ba, let's make a movie.